Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change email on ClickUp account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change email on ClickUp, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in clickup.com and make a search. Make sure that you're logged into your account and it will take you to the home page of ClickUp. Click on your profile name at the top left corner of the screen. From the drop down, click on Settings. Scroll all the way down until you reach My Settings option and tap on it. On the next page, you will end up on your settings page of ClickUp account. Under Email, edit and type in your new email you want to change. After you are done entering your new email address, click on Save Changes. Now enter your current password to save changes and click on Confirm Password. Click on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. A confirmation code to change your email will be sent to your email address. Enter a code sent to your email address and tap on Verify. This is how you can change email on ClickUp account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.